Welcome to Top Cars TV. The upcoming 2026 Chevrolet C10 is creating massive excitement among truck enthusiasts and classic pickup lovers around the world. Chevrolet is bringing back one of its most iconic names with a modern twist, blending the heritage of the original C10 with the latest technology, performance, and luxury features. The new C10 aims to capture the hearts of both traditional truck fans and a new generation of drivers looking for power, comfort, and style in one package. The exterior of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is a masterpiece that pays homage to the classic design while adding futuristic touches. The front bumper features a bold and muscular look with an aggressive grille pattern and LED headlights that seamlessly integrate with the body lines. The bumper design has been aerodynamically enhanced to improve airflow and efficiency, while chrome accents add a premium touch. The C10's wide stance gives it a commanding road presence, making it stand out in any crowd. Chevrolet's designers have managed to keep the soul of the original C10 alive while updating it with modern materials and precision styling. Moving to the interior, the 2026 C10 promises an experience that is both luxurious and functional. The cabin is designed with high-quality leather, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient lighting that enhances the driving atmosphere. The dashboard features a large touchscreen display with Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. The interior side panels are soft touch and feature elegant stitching that adds to the premium feel. Comfort has been prioritized with ventilated and heated seats, multiple driving modes, and a spacious cabin designed to accommodate both work and leisure needs. Every inch of the interior reflects Chevrolet's focus on craftsmanship and innovation. At the back, the 2026 Chevrolet C10 continues to impress. The tailgate design has been modernized, featuring sleek LED taillights and an electronic open and close system for added convenience. The rear bumper complements the overall design with a rugged yet refined finish, and the bed area offers multiple storage solutions, tie-down points, and a durable liner for protection. The C10's rear also includes advanced sensors and a 360-degree camera system to assist with parking and towing, making it both stylish and practical for everyday use or heavy-duty work. Under the hood, reports suggest that Chevrolet may offer multiple engine options, including a powerful V8 and possibly an electric variant as part of its green initiative. The performance is expected to be impressive, with smooth handling and improved suspension for comfort on any terrain. As for the price, while Chevrolet has not yet made an official announcement, industry insiders predict that the 2026 C10 will start around $45,000 for the base model, with higher trims and performance versions reaching up to $70,000 or more. Given its features and performance potential, that pricing would make it highly competitive in the modern truck market. The launch of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is expected to take place in late 2025. With official sales beginning in early 2026. As anticipation builds, one thing is clear: the C10 is set to redefine what a modern classic pickup can be, blending nostalgia with next-generation design and technology in a way only Chevrolet can.